goal is to go fast, and how we do that is customizing your suspension, custom fit to you and your vehicle. Any modifications you've done, your goal with the vehicle, whether it be time attack, drag, drift, whatever the case may be, we can valve your suspension, choose spring rates, do just about anything to meet your goals. And I would say our main goal really is to help out our customers. So we work with a lot of, big enthusiasts in the industry, whether it be YouTubers, drivers. We work with Gears and Gasoline, which are local here in Virginia.
We're going to be driving to every single contiguous state in the US, all 48 states.
Dustin Williams, we actually have his set in the back right now.
Welcome to Top Rank PDI Center, and hello again to my R34 GTR.
We work with a lot of FD drivers as well, whether it be Pro Spec, Pro-Am, we have just about anywhere in the industry that you can think of, we're working with someone in that capacity. One of the other things that makes Fortunato what it is our in-house CNC machine and our in-house testing as far as R&D goes. So any new vehicle that we come out with, like the GR Corolla or the FL5, we bring the vehicles in-house for testing for a number of weeks, just so we can really land on what we feel is best, whether it be for all-around comfort and daily driving or reducing lap times at the track. I actually have Fortunato 510 series on my car personally. Most of us here are on 510s, although it is kind of like a track setup. I mean, why not go with it if I have the option to, So yeah, I have 510s with Swift Springs on my Miata. That's way too low, and I won't ever use the 510s for what they're meant for, but it's nice to have it on there. I would say Fortunato is special because our products are customizable, modular, and rebuildable. So customizable in the sense of, like I said, we can do valving, spring rates, we can even change shock length, stroke length, things like that, just to meet your ride height goals, whether it be you want to get really low to the ground and just kind of stun on everyone around town, or you're trying to reach certain specifications to really shave down the lap times on the track. Modular, so let's say if you start out with our 500 series, if we offer a 510, 520, two-way or three-way for that vehicle, it can be upgraded to that over time. So as you grow as a driver, your suspension grows along with you. And then rebuildable, everything has just kind of its wear and tear that it'll see on the road, on the track. So after a certain amount of time, you can send your set in to be rebuilt. Everything that's wrong with it will get replaced. And then when you get your set back, it'll be just brand new again.